Hi, glad to be back online, if that's what you call it. It's Mary from Live Well, Live True and the Thrive Method. I realised I'd not been online for such a long time, and that's because the Thrive Method and Live Well, Live True has just really escalated. What started off as like a dream, and I've given it me all, and I'm proud to say that we're actually in the community now and we're supporting women, and they're seeing a real difference in how they approach their life, how they've addressed the crossroads, and just reflecting on how what's delivered in the group they can take home and make differences going forward, make them feel more confident, make them more confident in decision making, make them more confident putting the boundaries in place. Now, if that sounds like you, the contact details I'll follow there, so it'll be down below. Contact me, get in touch. Let's move forward, ladies. Let's go.